Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video. I just got off of work, so I'm gonna go check out some cool cars. It's a quick meetup. It is currently 8:12. Sunday. Yeah, Sunday 8:12. Yeah, we're just gonna check. I'm gonna check out some cool cars. And then we'll see what's gonna go down. But yeah. Right now, the meet isn't really as packed as it looks. There are some cool cars, so we'll get to that in just a little bit. But yeah, it's not as packed, like I said. We're over by Top Golf right now, and it's by I Love Hot Pot. If you ever been to I Love Hot Pot, it's pretty good food. So like, yeah, that's about it. Right now, I'm gonna wait until it gets full a little bit more, and then go ahead and check them out. Cause I feel like there's gonna be more. I feel like there's literally gonna be more cars pulling up. Like it's literally 8. It started at 7. It ends till like 11. So yeah, we're gonna get this started. Clean IS, Altezza, excuse me. Wide body, TVs, Lexuses. This is nice, man. Okay, wait. Got a 3.2, obviously right-hand drive, carbon hood, nothing to play with. Nismo shift knob, short shifter, I think. Looks nice, man. Clean. Got people backing up, so let me move out of the way. Sick M1. It's an M1. It's got to be an M1. Carbon fender, quarter panel, hood, red interior, stock, OEM interior, obviously manual. It's nice. I gotta blur out the tags. A90 twins, A90 boys, clean. This ducktail look nice. Let's go. Clean 2K is 2K. See what wheels is repping. Look nice. All black, convertible, obviously manual. So let me see it. Tail lights look nice. And then you got a Supra. Repping work wheels, yeah, work wheels. TEs, I think. I'm not sure. I don't know my wheel brand. Sick ass food. Got our boy Carlos up in here, his VRZ. On stock wheels. All the way to the ground, wow. Clear details. Nibiru or something. Nibiru. I don't know how to pronounce it. M3. Carbon roof. My goodness, bro. What? Sheesh. Sick. Sick. And then you got a GT3 right next to it. Porsche GT3, y'all. Alright, so what's up, guys? It's currently the next day. My package came in for some more cosmetic stuff for my interior. I got a Surikara hanger, Akoski Surikara. I'm gonna hang it up on the passenger side and then see what it looks like. Got my trusty little screwdriver. You just unscrew it, and stuff like that. And then this is for my shift knob. I haven't opened it yet. It's an extension piece. Still haven't figured out how to get it off, but we're just gonna connect it to this, and then I guess we'll be like one step away. I just really gotta look up videos on how to take off like a really tight object that involves like screws and threads and stuff like that, and then we'll be straight. I'll be straight. And then I'll get to see how like the extension piece feels and everything else. So yeah, let me go ahead and install the Surikara. Okay, I just got done installing the Surikara. It looks good. I might move the license plate, my custom license plate, to the back. I'm not sure. It might be throwing it off a little bit, but here's what it looks like. Yeah. So yeah, it looks good. I feel like I need new interior mats and stuff like that. Maybe leather, who knows. I think I'm gonna be chilling out for now. Right now I'm gonna be chilling out. No more interior stuff. I gotta save my ducats, get my money up. But yeah, it was a little fun install. Again, doing stuff out in the heat, sweating. Something, I don't know, something's in my nature where I just do stuff out in the heat, no water, and I just sweat constantly. And I think I'm not gonna be exhausted, but yeah. I digress. I'm getting off topic. Yeah. Also, another thing before I leave, I got the extension piece. It's on here. It looks good. Now, the final step is to get this thing off. If I can get the shift knob that I have on currently off, that it will look pretty good. My goodness, I look disgusting. What the hell? It's because I'm sweating. Anyways, but if I can get it off, like, I have to figure it out. Like, honestly, I done bought these two things. The extension piece look like a gun. But this extension piece and the shift knob, and then put it on here. See, if I put it on here, bro, let me see. It's gonna look good. It's gonna sit up high, but I wouldn't care. I wouldn't mind having an extension piece like this. But yeah, like I said, if I figure it out, then I'm gonna be actually happy. I'm gonna be happiest man alive, because I get to put this piece on. It's slowly coming together. It's looking right now, but I guess that's part of the process. I'm thinking about getting new wheels, get suspension upgrades, maybe coilovers. I've really been liking Conte. Maybe some tandems or Astrals. I'm really thinking about Chrome, but gotta stick to my budget, get my ducats up. As I said before, gotta get my ducats up before I even spend. If I can't, my friend always mentions this to me. If I can't buy this thing twice without having a fallback, then don't buy it. You gotta save up the money. So yeah, I'm gonna stick to that rule, and then yeah, go on from there. You feel me? But yeah, as I said before, this is gonna be a short vlog. I'll figure out what's gonna go down tomorrow, then see if I record, vlog, do whatever. Maybe get some skate content in this time, for real. But I gotta have somebody to record me, or find a prop to prop up my phone and get y'all some tricks in. So yeah, I digress. I'm speaking too much right now. Y'all have a good day. Stay safe. Goodbye.